Alright, you just finished this thing. And this is what you got over here, right? And you proved it and you have all three sides. And we worked through this process of saying, okay, well, in order to prove side, 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 in order to prove these two triangles congruent using side, 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 I need to have three sides. I'm only given two sides, right? Tick mark, tick mark, tick marks, tick marks. So I'm given those three sides. How am I going to find the third sides? BC equals EF. How am I going to prove that? And it turned out that we could prove that using kind of other methods, right? So we got this, oh, okay, well, it's a square. If it's a square, that means actually all these sides are equal. Equal, equal, equal. BE equals EF equals FC equals CB. All of them are equal. And so we were able to prove this thing using definition of a square. But I want to refocus us on the importance of the given information, right? This, super critical. If you don't have that, you just like literally can't do this whole thing, right? So like if that's not there, all of a sudden this is meaningless. Line BC equals line EF, definition of a square. If we don't know that this is a square, by the way, it does not matter how much it looks like a square. You can hope, you can pray, but unless it specifically says it's a square, it's not a square, right? That's the rules. Or if you prove that it's a square, but you have to prove everything beyond a shadow of a doubt. So if that given isn't there, then you can't use definition of a square at all. You just can't use it, okay? If it's not given, then you would just not be able to do this problem. So the importance of given is so critical, right? Let's take it a step further. What if you just didn't write this given down? Well, now you only have like 2 lines, not 3 lines. You can't prove side, side, side with only 2 lines. You need 3 lines. Do you know how I know? Because side, side, side has the word side 3 times. Right, so if you don't write down any of these givens, you don't write down this given either, now all of a sudden, your proof literally looks like this. Line BC equals line EF, definition of a square. Basically comes out of nowhere, and then final line is, don't worry, I totally proved this proof, trust me. Which is a little silly, right? So just keep in mind, you do want to make sure that we keep all of these things in there. We always want to have all of our givens, super important. Let's practice.